Ikundi ya Kiuteti ya Linda Mwananchi Ungu wa Utongoi wa Seneta wa Kaunti ya Ilovi Edwin watenya Sifuna ni Niyakuiisya Mbumbano Syoo ya Kiuteti la Meivangite Kutwaiisya Kauntini ya Nyamira na Kisii Muvaka Matuku 3 Mweini wa Muonza Itambya la Mekwasya Niyakunenga Ndaia Amuika alamati yone thayo maandamanoni majenzi Matuku 25 Mweini wa 6 mwakani wa 2024 mainena nandiki mama wo kiokoni cha umunthe atongo ya yengi ni mali anane Itambya ya chama cha ODM kumukuthwa Edwin Sifuna mwanyani wake ta mwandiki munene wa chama kiu maiweta kanani ubathukanu na katiba ka chama cha ODM mwaka
miaka iliti na Amuika Kutwaiisya maandamano maili anana mutalatala wake na wa mwaka wa 2024 yone ndimekwatiwa kwithiwa maimalilikana Amuika alama atiwe ni thayo moko ni mama ofisa ma polisi Matuku 25 Mweini wa 6 ukava wa ulei wa Linda Mwananchi na ula Meivangite Kutwaiisya ndambuka Kauntini Syoo Kisii na Nyamira Wakana ukite yu maikuisya ndambuka isu mpaka Matuku 3 Mweini wa Muonza keleloni chako ngama vamwe na Kenya la mekwithiwa mayumilia maleloni Kutwaiisya maulilikano asu.
We wish to inform our members, supporters and the public at large that the Linda Mwananchi Kisii and Keroka rallies scheduled for Friday, June 26, 2026 have been postponed to Friday, July 3rd, 2026. We will join other Kenyans of goodwill to stand in solidarity with the victims of the Gen Z protests of 2024 and their families, and in remembrance of those who were killed or are forcefully disappeared.
Utongoi na alama Utongoi weni Seneta wa Kaunti Ilovi Edwin Sifuna ndini walivotio kwandiki mamovoni makuli maofisa ma polisi kunenga enende usese yunu bailite na mayema Kwikon'Ya ndini wasiko sya kumaumesya.
We are alert to potential police and state-sponsored brutality and violence against the victims and their families during the commemoration activities. We reasonably anticipate unlawful arrests during the peaceful commemoration events. Consequently, it will be necessary to remain vigilant and engaged during this period. We call upon the police to ensure the safety and protection of all citizens who will participate in the peaceful commemoration activities.
Kavindane kwa Utongoi yani male anana kuvetangwa kwa Seneta Sifuna kuma mwanyani wake tawa mwandiki munene chamani cha ODM.
Late last evening, we were made aware of the decision by the ODM party NEC purporting for the second time to remove Secretary General Edwin Sifuna from office. On the face of it, the decision bears similarities with the first one in February, and procedural, unfair, and contrary to the party's constitution. After consultation with our legal teams earlier this morning, it has been decided to once again test the propriety of the purported ouster in the courts because we are convinced it should suffer the same fate as the first one in February.
Ripoti ya vilingi wa movo ni mwaka mweu.